Hi friends, Dr. Joe here with a complete guide to make a resume QR code. In this video, you will learn how to make a QR code for your resume. First, get resume URL link using Google Drive. Sign in to Google Drive. Click on the new button and select File and Upload. Choose your resume file. Then right-click on the uploaded file and click on Share. Then click on the copy link and then click on Done. Next, go to qrcodechimp.com. Go to the Solutions tab. Then click on the Resume Solution card. Let's create the resume QR code now. Paste the URL link in the resume URL field. Make sure to check the box to make QR code dynamic. Now, let's decorate the QR code. Choose a QR code shape as per your preference. You can also select QR code pre-designs. You can also apply a sticker call to action to get more scans. Add colors to make it look more attractive. You can change QR body shape. You can also add your own logo by uploading it. Let's close the design section to continue saving. Now, save your QR code by giving it a name. And there you go. Your QR code resume is ready. You will see the newly made QR code on your dashboard. There you go. You just learned how to make your resume QR code. Now you can share this QR code with the HR managers and they can scan and read your resume. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have learned something new. If you want to explore more QR code options, you may visit qrcodechimps.com. I thank QR Code Chimps for this service. That's all in this video. Thank you. Namaskar.